Hi and welcome to the video. In this video I'm just going to be showing you some of the progress I've been making the last week or so. It's not much in the way of building, but I've been trying to prepare everything ready to start building. As you can see, I've been working on the inner templates. I've marked on all the measurements from the outside template. The upper line, I have measured the height of the ribs. As you can see, I've now completed all the templates. I've printed a number of cannons. I've still got a few more to go. I'll need to remove these parts and replace them with some wire fittings ready for the rigging. So as you can see, I need to tidy these up and then paint them. Thought I'd like to try out the lights, so I'm just going to wire up a couple just to see what they're like. The resistor needs to be soldered to the positive wire. In this case it's the coppery coloured wire. I'm dipping the resistor into the solder paste as I find it allows the solder to run a lot easier. I will cover the joints with plastic sleeves, but here I'm only wanting to do a quick test. The lights are fairly bright. I'm planning to use around 110 lights, so hopefully this will dim them a little bit. Been trying to 3D print some lanterns for the lights, but I'm not having much success so far. The issue is the supports. Too many and it's hard to get them off. And too few and there is no support during printing. One of the viewers advised he had used edged railings. Due to the size of the light, I need to use the sprue supports as well. I wrap the railing around a 4mm drill bit. As you can see, I've got a bit of an issue here. It's not going to work. It's like a spring due to the lack of sprue supports. I have found some smaller lights, so maybe I will be able to use the railings. If not, back to the drawing board. I have actually found some thin brass sheets. I'm just waiting for them to arrive. I might be able to 3D print something, not 3D print, laser cut something. So I'll be doing some experiments with that when they arrive. I'm now going to mark out the lower deck. As you can see, there are a number of stairways to add, both up and down. There are gratings to add and the capstan. And you can see a rope runs from the capstan to the bow. In the next video, I should be ready to start assembling the frame at last. Thanks for watching.